take a look at how we've opened for the day. We ended with an uptick of about 0.5% on the Nifty yesterday. Absolutely flat open this morning. 24,350 is a level that we've held on to. The story is slightly different for Nifty Bank, seeing a 0.5% gap up open for Nifty Bank. 57,800 thereabouts is where we're at. Sensex too looking good, 0.3% higher and very close to that 77,900 mark now. In fact, that's where we're at for the Sensex. Just taking a look at how the broader market has opened, looking good for the small cap index, 0.5% higher. Nifty mid cap 2 is in the green by 0.2%, looking good. It's the India VIX that you want to be watching out for. It's a 5% cool off on India VIX as we speak. 10.5 is where we're at. Quickly taking you through some of the sectoral moves this morning. Then it's PSU banks that are doing well. A 1% uptick coming in over there, led by Union Bank, PNB, Central Bank. All of them are doing well, but to some stock specific action, want to take a look at how SciEnt has opened on the back of their investor day plans. They're targeting 15% EBIT margin, and they've outlined the life cycle engineering strategy all the way up to FY31. Lofty targets for the semiconductor business, and SciEnt as a stock should be up on your screen soon. The next one that we're watching out for this morning is Hindustan Copper. The government is exercising their full 3% green shoe option as well. SciEnt up, but Hindustan Copper slightly under pressure, about 0.5% cut over there. Welspun Corp, we've seen that block deal play out. Promoter group is likely seller of about 2.4% stake, and flattish for Welspun Corp as we speak. And similarly for Billion Brains or Groww, Ribbit Capital is likely to sell 1.5% stake, and that block deal has played out 2.25% cut over there too. Next up, let's talk about some consumption names. We've got Varun Beverages that has forayed into the Alcobev segment in India, incorporated a wholly owned subsidiary, was up about 2.5% in pre-open and is flattish right now. Hunasa Consumer on the flip side has called off the proposed 58% stake acquisition in Fluence Pharma due to unmet closing conditions, and Hunasa Consumer will be up on your screen next as well. Next up from consumption, it's United Breweries. They've expanded their Heineken Silver to Kerala, Odisha and Madhya Pradesh, aiding their premiumization plan. A 2% uptick on United Breweries. Tata Motors and Tata Motors PV, that is, and Tata Com, they've partnered to bring built-in 5G connectivity in the new Sierra. So 0.5% uptick on Tata Motors. Now the next one I want to take a look at is Dabur. The Delhi High Court has extended the stay on FSSAI's 100% product claim all the way up to 16 December. Not doing much in trade is Dabur. On the back of a couple of order wins, NBCC first, 122 crore rupee order for 170 new school buildings in Rajasthan, and NBCC will be up for you, and 0.7% of an uptick over there. Advait Energy too, like we were speaking about, 135 crore rupee order coming in for EHV line emergency restoration. It's a 6.5% jump on that stock, one of the top gainers from the broader end. Cipla on the flip side, the US FDA has issued 7 Form 483 observations at the Pithampur facility, 1% cut on Cipla, although brokerages continue to remain constructive on this stock. Car trade then, consumer business CEO Mr. Banwari Lal Sharma has resigned, 1% pressure on car trade this morning. AWL Agri, new launch in Delhi, NCR, Punjab and Haryana. Then you've got Apollo Hospitals. They've received a shareholder nod to raise up to 750 crore rupees via NCDs, 1.25% cut on Apollo this morning. Welspun Investment and Welspun Corp, the next two stocks to watch out for. The board has approved sale of up to 67.5 lakh Welspun Corp shares at 2,250. Welspun Investment, an upper circuit of 5% at open itself. Indian Metals and Ferro Alloys, they've begun their first hot metal tapping at the Kalinganagar Ferrochrome facility. 2.5% uptick on IMFA as we speak this morning. Cochin Shipyard, Moscow Dock, Garden Reach, India's planning to add up to 100 new vessels over the next 5 years, 1% higher for Cochin Shipyard this morning. The other shipbuilding names also looking decent right now. There's a care ratings upgrade that's come in on GMR Airports this morning, and a constructive note from Jefferies on the back of the Hyderabad tariff as well. Your GMR Airports is absolutely flat, not doing all that much. And lastly, Sai Parenterals. They've renewed their OTC supply agreement for 204 crore rupees, and that stock is expected to be doing well. It's a 3.25% uptick on Sai Parenterals this morning. Just taking a look at what the Nifty 500 is doing right now, the tilt is quite steeply in favor of the advances, so looking good for the broader end. And the gains here are led by Ola, that's up 5%, Netweb Tech 3.5%, Sagility, Devyani, Sapphire Foods, Physicswala, SciEnt, all of these stocks are doing well. What's under pressure is Groww on the back of the block deal, Graphite India, Ireda, Lenskart, Shriram Finance, all of these stocks are under pressure, and this is how the market has opened. Shivangi, your take on the kind of move that we've seen on the Nifty, flattish open coming in for us, and 24,300 is a level that we've held on to, slight slip from where we closed yesterday.
Yes, absolutely, Sneh. We've seen that Nifty, of course, has opened on a flattish note as we commence the September series. But one thing is remarkable that the rollovers have come in quite positive and significant. We are, at a 77% rollover, which is higher than the previous months and the previous quarterly rollovers as well. Even with a long built up, that is, with a 10, longs added on the open interest side. And the Bank Nifty has also kind of shown a short covering move with shedding of 10% Y and a rollover of around about 79%, which is again higher than its previous rollover number. So overall, the index or the indices per se are looking quite positive, and support-based buying should continue here. Even in the last few days that we saw, last 2 weeks, the support-based buying was quite strong in the index, and it took support near the 24K psychological mark. So overall, if it kinds of holds above 24,200, which is an important exponential moving average, it would continue towards 24,500 and then 24,700 marks in the next couple of weeks. But overall, the index looks quite positive and buy and decline to continue over here.